Units affected, they also include hardware, engineering, ad sales. So far, last night, CEO Sundar Pichai told his workforce to expect more cuts.
An Amazon spokesperson did confirm those layoffs. The head of Prime Video and MGM saying in that memo that the company is making some of the cuts to prioritize investments for the long term.
美国科技裁员潮从前年延续到今年，却显然还没有结束。
The layoffs to the start of 2024 signal a dramatic shift in the tech industry. We're going to continue to see layoffs happen as the future of work has changed, as the future of technology has changed, and as investors' appetite for risk and growth versus profitability has dramatically changed as well.
Meta 执行长祖克伯强调，这波裁员是因为前几年过度招聘导致员工太多，降低效率，现在必须精简管理，否认跟 AI 的发展有关。但专家分析认为，恐怕还是与 AI 脱不了关系。
This AI thing is real, it's not going away, and they can't have people holding them back. And so what they've been doing over the past year is finding places within the organization that they can trim so that they can get to a pace where they're shipping faster. So taking managers out, and then engineers who are skilled for a previous generation of technology, they're also leaving to make room for people who are more skilled for artificial intelligence.
从亚马逊、谷歌到 Meta 都投入大量资源在发展 AI， 人才需求自然而然就跟着转换方向。
So there's about a 500% increase in the number of jobs that mention generative AI. There's about a 6,000% increase in the demand for job seekers for these jobs. But there still is, I think, a mismatch the other way in that the total amount of demand for AI talent far outstrips the number of AI professionals.
除此之外，这些企业将大笔资金投注于 AI， 偏偏面对高通膨还有升息政策，热钱不像疫情前那样疯狂涌入，也相对冲击到不符合未来策略性发展的部门，因此成为科技产业大刀一挥的裁员目标。
Right now, I don't see that there's a big impact from AI in these tech layoffs. Some businesses have maybe cited that they're trying to, shift priorities and they're letting some employees go to focus more energy on some of these generative AI tools. But I think it's important to say that that's very different than saying that companies are, well, we can let people go now because, generative AI and all these tools are taking jobs.
但这些员工仍旧间接性的受到 AI 冲击。长期观察矽谷的媒体人也认为，虽然短期内 AI 还没有开始跟人抢饭碗，但并不表示这件事不会成真。
Every company in every industry is trying to figure out how to use AI in everything they do. I mean, AI is going to create a lot more jobs as well, but at the same time, I would say that there will be jobs that will be automated.
尤其是企业裁员之后，不但没有冲击到营运，反而股价节节高升，更让企业精简人力的动作变得毫不犹豫。
Now we see the stock market reacted quite favorably to this round of layoffs. We see these record stock prices for a lot of these tech companies. And so the stock price, the investors really favored profitability, really favored this lean year that these tech companies had. And so instead of rewarding the growth that we saw and them all pursue years ago, they're now rewarding profit. And so the layoffs have continued. People have become used to them. And regrettably and sadly, it seems that the layoffs is going to be the new normal.
美国不只是科技业，包括像是 UPS 的运输业或是媒体业、金融产业，其实也都陆续传出裁员的坏消息。专家认为，这其实是一大警讯。
And oftentimes when layoffs happen, people feel shame when they are being laid off. In reality, though, oftentimes if people are being laid off, it's a failure of leadership of that company.
经济学家也担心，大量科技业高薪人才没有跟上这一波转换，因此失去饭碗，恐怕将冲击到美国的消费力，经济市场也将受到冲击。尽管目前科技业裁员占比并不高，但如果持续不停，依旧会造成一波的恶性循环。TVBS 新闻综合报道。